Happy Saturday, happy weekend. If I tell you that I have the motivation to do anything, I would be lying. My God, no, I don't feel like to do nothing, you know. I have so much to do. I have so much to do. I actually don't feel like doing anything, but we have to get up and get going. Because sometimes, you know what, we have this thing to say, oh, if I don't feel like to do something, maybe it's a sign that I shouldn't do it. No, not all the time. Use your discernment or feelings, whatever you call it, Holy Spirit, and see, okay, should I push out or should I stay in? A lot of times it's just laziness and lack of discipline. So we're working on the discipline, but let's start with the gym. It's a late start. I wanted to go earlier, but nonetheless we're going. It was after 10, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the gym. Let's start with that. It's a late start. Should have started earlier. Have grocery shopping to do. We were doing online lessons because of some issues at the school, so we know we're going back in on Monday. So I need to get myself prepared for the week. As you can see here, don't look good. Me and my students, I'm gonna play ball. We listen and we don't judge. And then come talk about somebody look nicer last year and me do my ear every 3 months instead of every week. Or me used to do the lie. I never used to do my ear every week. I don't follow them. Them brain not fully developed. But still, kind of feel a way me I think about it. Like, am I really legoing myself or Lego? So we're going to start with the gym. We're gonna do that and take it from there. I've done the laundry already midweek, so we have to do. Car need to wash. We have to do it. We have to lying down, sitting around, it not pay the bills, and it's not gonna help. Okay, so let's go. Lord, I pray for divine covering this morning as I go. God, you be my guidance and shield.
Trying to pump myself.
I didn't go to the kitchen yet, so I'm just showing you what's in my bag. I got stuff, okay? This makes me feel so good. This not get me good too. See there, look at my bag. That's nothing. Callaloo, cabbage, carrots, onions, tomatoes, oranges, yam. This is gooseberry, not fitted. Get. Look on the blessing. It's such a blessing. Such a blessing. I've never had this before. I'm gonna try it. Such a blessing, yeah. So happy Women's Day TV. We did it. We got the gym done. We got some shopping in. Ran a few errands. I just still need to wash my hair. But we actually did it. Happy International Women's Day. You know, we are women. We're gonna get the job done. We are resilient. We are persistent. We are strong. We're determined. We are soft. We are beautiful. So if you're a woman, this is your day to celebrate you and your femininity and your womanness. Happy International Women's Day. And just a reminder, you know, there are times where we feel like we can't make it, we can't push, we can't go forward, but just remember, sleeping make you poor. The Bible says it, right? So we just gotta push out there. Went out safe and sound, came back in safe and sound, and we give God thanks. All right, big up on yourself. Go and take care of yourself. Take care of your mental health. Take care of your physical health. Wash your hair, brush your teeth, clean your tongue, all the works. You understand me? Put on your eye cream, relax, and have a beautiful rest of this International Women's Day. Big up on yourself. Love and enough respect. See you in the next video.